everybody, it's a mobile home mama. Yes, it is Friday. Yes, it's beautiful outside. Yes, we have fair week here, so excited to take little Benji to the fair. And I wanted to talk about this baby. This is a 16 by 52 McGregor. Now, in a lot of my videos, you see the McGregor, and it does have the option to add the front porch, a very popular feature. But a lot of people love the kitchen just the way it is in the McGregor, so the porch is not that important to them. So the McGregor is a great choice whether you want the porch or not want the porch. That's an optional feature. But there's some things on the outside that I'd like to talk about today. Of course, this OSB wrap, I think that's a must-have with any home that you're building. Doesn't matter if you're building an Aspire or a Prime Home Series, that's an option on either home series. And this is something kind of new. We've seen a little bit of it on the channel, but we've got the black accent trim packages now. Those came back. They were here a couple years ago, and we brought them back for 2025. They've been a hit. They're all over the place on these homes. You can get that fascia trim to be black, and that's just a minimal cost, just like a couple $100. But here's where it gets interesting. We offer black windows. Not everybody wants to spend the cost of a black window though. They're okay with keeping the white windows, but we can do black lineals. So white lineals, of course, we've seen that all over the place. That's a pretty common feature, but a lot of people don't know you have the option to turn those to black. So let me get a pan of the exterior of this. So you're still getting the look of the dark trim package, as long as you're okay with having the white window trim with the black lineals. Some people, that would not be for them. I've talked to customers that would be both ways, but just depends on how much money you have in your budget. All right, let's talk about some other things. Pier savers on the outside. Here's the gas coming in. And let's get underneath there so we can talk about exactly what a pier saver is. I want you to see what it is. So it's some wood that is supporting the doors. So that over time, historically, homes that were built a long time ago, over time, the doors can sag a little bit. So pier savers is a great way to make your home last 50 years, 60 years, you know, and not ever have to worry about that. But the main thing about it is if you have pier savers, it's not necessary to put actual piers underneath the doors because the wood does the job for you. That's what it's really for. And of course, supports the door even more. All right, you can see here, this is where the water is going to come up and be connected. We've got actually right there, the PEX water lines, and that's where the water heater is. So let's go inside and check it out. The McGregor is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath with an L-shaped kitchen. All right, heading down this short hallway, and one of the features of the McGregor is you're always going to see this diagonal wall. We'll come to that in a minute. But wide open to the front. This is front loaded. So walking into the living area, that means easily you could put a porch up on this end. Nice size living room. This is a total new redesign for 2025. It used to be you would come in the door and there would be a bookcase there, and it just got kind of weird. So we redesigned it. And then very nice kitchen. L-shaped kitchen with the standard urban oak cabinets. We've got a white quartz on the countertop, which looks like it has a marbly look, if you can see that. And then we've got a laminate backsplash. Very cost-effective way to protect your walls from water damage. If you're splashing around, or maybe you're a person, when you do dishes, water just goes flying everywhere. That would be good to have the laminate backsplash. We've got a microwave over the range, and then a dishwasher. And this is one of our appliance packages. I know that because I see the ice maker is added as well. My friends Donnie and Tracy came and visited today, and we climbed up in this house. And it is definitely a contender for their project. So big shout out to them. Shout out to all y'all. A lot of people are coming and visiting me, calling me, texting me, and setting up their appointments to come visit us here at the factory. This is bedroom number 2. I hope you're having a great summer. We had a heat wave here in Indiana, and it seems to be cooling off a bit, so that's lovely. Washer dryer area. Now we do have the option to do a stackable if you want to do that and add a cabinet beside it. Here comes the 1 bathroom. You could change that to a shower easily. You could also put a transom window over the tub shower combination. Hello? Primary bedroom. And I was happy when I walked in here and I saw they doubled up the racks in the closet. This is a walk-through closet. All right, well, I hope everyone is having an awesome Friday. And I hope you're putting a little bit of that paycheck towards a down payment on a new home. I'm excited to see you. Give me a call. Phone number's down in the description. Call, text, email, whatever you need to do. I'm Christina. I'm also the mobile home mama. And as always, thanks for watching.